Very good. Okay, today ECAPs show YouTube how to make. Everyone want to see pizza. Today ECAPs make pizza for special requesting. By special request, make pizza. Have flour, dough, and put water a little bit and mix a little bit. This pizza for 2 or 3 people's. More water. Can use vodka. I don't know. No problem. You want to use vodka. This vodka pizza. Okay. Maybe one little bit water, not too much. Okay, cover this one for 10 minutes. Let it rise a little bit. Put the oven 400 degree Fahrenheit for pre-baking, and for flour will rise. Okay, cover for 10 minutes and ECAP come back. Okay, ECAP have cheese now, 4 blend, Mozzarella, Parmasan, Gouda, and Provolone. 1 cup. Maybe ECAP use more. ECAP like cheese. Anyway, what next? Okay, ECAP have 5 meat. Ham, salami, pepperoni, and more salami, Genoa, and bacon bits. 5. Now is a good time reminding everyone, subscribe and ring the goddamn bell for a notification. Listen to BB. BB tell you what to do at the end of this video, how to ring bell. Also add new overlay for show how ring bell. Okay, ECAP have one last item. Make 2 items, not 1. Mushroom and onion. I'm asked before, somebody, all my recipe have one thing in common. What is? They are not know because they are not watching. They are not listen to BB. Every recipe on YouTube, ECAP may have mushroom and onion. ECAP like mushroom and onion. Okay. Put this one, make a little bit warm, and get ready for put dough on pan and everything on top of pan and everything go in oven like baby. Okay, make warm mushroom and onion. Okay, you kept waiting for mushroom and onion get a little bit hot. A little bit, you can put a little bit salting, not much, and get dough ready. Take flour, put on dough so it's not sticky, and have only 1 piece, not more than 1 piece. Can see now Have to putting flour on hands or will stick. Okay. Same time melting butter for mushroom onion. Okay, dough almost ready. For spreading. A little bit sticky still. Make sure you wash your hands, not only for Corona, also for pizza. Okay, mushroom ready, onion ready, and dough's ready. When have nice and consistent dough, can put on pan and start to spreading like your mama. And then this is instructional video, not for your mama only. Good for make pizza too. Okay, keep spreading. Okay, I finished spreading your mama's dough. ECAP like to make deep dish pizza. You can see, cover entire pan. Also, ECAP like to pushing with finger before pan for make, how you say, moat, like castle moat. This one you putting for sauce not to go over top. You see, have to be gentle, like you're spreading something. Will not say. Okay, finish. And what you want to do, some people putting first, tell you what, you can put cheese a little bit first. Then you can putting sauce, tomato is spicy. You can show ingredient in menu is spicy a little bit, and we'll also put one more ingredient. After put, then spreading, more spreading. I like this pizza making. Lots of spreading. God damn you. Okay, I'm spitting all over. Okay. Now spread more sauce. And don't go outside like paint by numbers. Okay, it's good. Also putting ECAP, put little bit jalapeno sauce, couple of dab, not too much. Okay, and putting bacon bits and salami and ham and pepperoni and some people like cutting into pieces for bite size. You kept like to make messy, like eat you know what. Okay, I think is everything. This one cut in half for make even, And finished cheese on top. And not forget mushroom and onion. You kept not have corona, is allergic a little bit for make flour. Okay, everything finish. Bacon bit finish and ready for oven soon. And cheese again, last one. Maybe you can put a little bit more. Okay, why not? You can put 3 slices marble cheese. 1, 2, 3, and finish. Finish more make. Oh, this one heavy. I have to lifting more weights for lift up this one. Okay, put oven 400. I don't know how long. Goddamn, until it's ready. Okay, he kept finish baking pizza for 15 minutes, 400 Fahrenheit. He kept not make pizza a long time. By special requesting, if you are want to see something for make, he kept listen to my fans. He kept do everything for my fans. Okay, this pizza is good for maybe 4 people, 3 for sure. Cutting and putting for plating. There we go. 1/4 pizza. Not forget subscribing and ring bell and watch for more. I think next video will be how to cut pomegranate. God damn you. Okay, listen to BB and subscribe and ring the bell. God damn you.
Not forget, ring the bell.